What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. This is Viana's Beauty, and today I'll be doing a mini tutorial on this look. The reason I'm calling it a mini tutorial is because I already started the eye look. I did her brows and her eyeshadow, but then I decided to turn this look into a glam look because it was meant to be a very simple eye makeup look, but after doing the eye look I said no, this is too quiet for my client's birthday, so I'm going to turn her into glam look. So to do this you need like some glitter to make the eye look pop some more, and you just have to get creative. And today I'm using a fine glitter. It's kind of like gold mixed with other colors, but it's very fine, so you will not really get the colors. But in the nutshell, let's just say it's a gold glitter. So I added that on the eye look, and then I popped an orange eyeliner. This is where the change came from, guys. The eyeliner just made a complete just gave it a complete different feel that was not there at the beginning when I created this look. So she told me she was going to wear an orange color, and I decided to pop that liner on the eyes. So if you're watching right up to this moment, it's only a mini tutorial and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, beauties? Go on and hit on the red subscription button and join the family, because here we do everything beauty and fitness related. So I went further to apply her foundation, and the shade I initially used was not the right shade because that was the darkest foundation I had. So I needed to add like a very dark contour concealer on the foundation, which I did not, but we learn every day, guys. So tell me what you like about this eye look. Tell me the favorite part about this eye look. She wanted a very natural eyelash, but I didn't have. Thankfully I didn't have the natural eyelash because this eyelash suits the look perfectly well. Do you think this eyelash suits this look? For me it really does. So guys, yeah, I went on to, after applying her foundation, I highlighted her face. I did not contour, I just did the very dry contour, and the foundation I'm brushing out, the powder I'm brushing out now is the Banyer, using the Banyer powder as my setting powder. It gives me a flawless yellow tone finish look. I love the Banyer powder. After doing her lips, I go further with my concealer brush to just kind of like blend the edges. That's what gives it that professional makeup look, and you know, just make the around her lips like it just cleans everything out. Do well to blend your powder, blend your foundation, blend everything out to give your client a good finished look. So guys, basically this is the finished look, and she was so happy with her makeup. That's why I thought to bring it to my channel to know what you think about this makeup. It's only a minute tutorial. I didn't have a chance to film everything, but I'm just so happy that she loved it, and I want to know what you, my beautiful clients, my beautiful subscribers, think about this particular look. So guys, I'll be making this mini tutorials a lot because I film videos for my other social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and instead of letting the video waste, I'll be bringing it to the platform, to my YouTube channel like this. I hope you give me the same support you will give any of my other videos, and I'll appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and make sure to click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post videos like this. What is your favorite part about this makeup look? Is it an orange eyeliner? Is it a twist I brought to it? I'm gone to Snapchat for the rescue. So yeah, Snapchat just gives me that nice, beautiful feeling of, yeah, you did a great job, you did a great job. Do you think I did a great job? I couldn't get her in her outfit, but yep, because